This is a different kind of weighted mean where we don't have percents. This doesn't all add up to 100. You're just giving it a weight. So this is 18 and this is 7. What's it all out of? We could add up all the weights is equal to sum of zip all the way down to there. What's it out of? It's out of 66. This is 18/66 of 48. This is 7/66. So each one becomes a different fraction out of the total. Our result is going to be 18/66, so out of 66. There's something that I'm going to have to add to lock onto C9. If I fill this down, look what happens if I take this and I fill it down. We're going to get some errors. Nothing got calculated here because this went to C10, but there is no C10, or C10 is the word weighted mean. We want it to stay on C9. To do that in spreadsheets, you just put a $sign between the C and the 9. That will do something called a horizontal lock. It'll lock it at C9, at 9. When we scroll that down, the next value is still C9. See, this one went from C2 to C3. Then if we fill that all the way down, all the way to the bottom, your C2 down here becomes C3. Way down here becomes C8. Because we put the $sign between the C and the 9, it stays C9 all the way down. That's what the $sign does. It does a horizontal lock. This is going to be all out of, well, let's see, we're going to take the sum of all of that. So sum of all of those values. It's going to be on 84. Our result value is going to be 6/84 of the 29. 6 on 84. To lock it onto the 84, I'm going to put a little $sign right between the C and the 8 to lock it onto C8. This is a horizontal lock. Then I'm multiplying that by the value. We fill that down. Notice that it locked onto the C8. It's C $8. So the $sign gives it something called a horizontal lock. It locks at that horizontal position. And then is equal to the sum of all of these wonderful values. Yay! Let's do one more weighted mean is equal to the sum of all these values. And at 49, the weight is 13 out of 49. It's equal to this divided by the 49, but we need to horizontal lock it, so I put a $sign between C and the 8 times the value. And then we fill that down. 13/49 of 59 is 15.65. 6/49 of 40 is 4.89, and so on. So then we're just going to add those up. That will be our weighted mean. That's how you do weighted mean, and that's how you use the spreadsheet tables. Have a good day.